Hi preschoolers, it's me Elizabeth, and today's STEM activity is going to be on science. So for this activity we're going to be making colors with food coloring, so you'll need different colors of food coloring, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 containers and water. You will also need something to mix your food coloring together, so I have a chopstick. Firstly, I'm going to pour water into each of my containers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now let's take a closer look. So now I'm going to put my colors. Can you tell me what colors these are? What color is this? Mix, mix, mix. Yellow. And then I'm going to put, what color is this? Blue into this container, and then I'm going to put red into this container. So now I'm going to mix some colors. We're going to mix a yellow and blue. Do we think they're going to make a different color when we mix them? Let's see.
Mix, 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 mix.
What color is that? It's green. Now, let's mix. Let's do a little swap around here. So now, let's do red. Bloop. And yellow. Do you think it's going to make a different color? Yeah? No? Let's find out. What color is that? Orange. And finally, let's mix. What's our last one? Blue. And red. Do we think it's going to make a different color? Yes? Maybe. Ready? Whoa! I don't know if you can see it in the camera, so I'm going to put it here. And let's see. Tell me what color you see. Whoa! It makes purple! So today we learned that yellow and red make orange, and red and blue make purple, and blue and yellow make green. Hey friends, I hope you enjoyed this activity. and that you try it out at home. And comment below and let me see how it is, how it turned out and everything. And I will see you very soon for another fun activity. Bye!